All right, so we're reviewing December 2024 since December's next, or I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, it's tomorrow. It's November 30th, 9:57, 2025 right now. So we're about to enter December tomorrow. Tomorrow is December 1st, Monday. So we're gonna review last December's price action to see whether or not just to like get a little refresher in our in the setups that we're gonna be looking for, a little refresher, and just to see how December price action was last year and compare it to what we'll be trading next tomorrow in that month, this December. So first thing first, we're gonna go to the second, December 2nd. All right, so first thing first, as you can see, the price starts out bullish. We're waiting for that continuation, but we don't see it. We see a momentum drop. So what we're gonna be looking for is that 940 drop on the 1 minute. Okay, that is not. Okay, hold on. I think I clicked the wrong. Hold on, bro. I think I just clicked the wrong day. Looking for the second. Okay, here we go. This is the second. I was tripping, bro. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna be looking for the first candle stick. So open up bullish. Looking for is that continuation. We do see that continuation. We do enter it. This is most likely a stop. I would have got stopped out. Most likely. Well, actually, yeah, I would have got stopped out. Look how high the spreads are. Um, so that's a no setup slash a loss. So the third, we're going to the third. All right, so first things first, we're looking for that first candlestick of market open, the first 5 minutes. It is bullish. So we're looking for is that continuation on the next candlestick. And we do see, and we see that flow of momentum to the upside. So we do enter that and we do hit, no, we do not hit take profit. Do we hit take? Yeah, we do hit take profit right here. So it is a good setup. Now, the fourth. Yo, I got a headache, bro. I haven't ate anything all day. My headache is throbbing, bro. All right, so here we go. We see the first candle is a bearish candle, so we are looking for that continuation to the downside. We do see that momentum to the drop, and we do enter that. Was it take profit? Was it not? No, it was not. So we are no setup slash loss. Um, so I do consider my no setups as losses as well, just cause like it's either a loss or not. Also, I compare it and I consider them equivalent to no setup to loss. I consider them equivalent because that way I can see my worst case scenario of days within the month, like my losses. Cause these even though they're no setup, I can easily just like enter those setups, and for me to figure out that it's not as a good setup is for me to hit my stop loss. So we see did we just yeah, we just did this. Alright, we're going to the fifth. No. Alright, so we see price opens up here. Price opens up bullish. So we're gonna see on the right on the next the continuation, but we do not see a continuation. We see price and momentum drop. So that is a sign of a reversal. So we do go scale down to the 1 minute. And we look at the 940 candlestick on the 1 minute, and we can see a continuation of the sweep. So we see this. There is no continuation of the sweep. We could have well entered off this right here, but we did not. I don't know why I put that as a good setup. That was not a good setup at all. I most likely would have entered right here and got stopped out up here. That is not a good setup. I got y'all. So that is, it would probably be 8,500. Okay. There we go. So now we have the 6th of December. Now we see the first candle as now we see the first candle is bullish, and then we see a continuation on the momentum chart and on the price action, and we see that continuation on the bullish price action. So it's green, so we're gonna look for that momentum rise, and we do see it, and then we do enter that, and we do hit take profit and 24%. It's a good setup. So then we're gonna go to December 9th. So we do see price drop, and then we're gonna look for that continuation of the drop, but we do not see that. We see momentum rise, the opposite side of this candle, so that is a sign of a sweep. So we do scale to the 1 minute. So we scale out to the 1 minute, and we wait for that 940, that 9:45 minute candle to start, and we do see that, and we do see this bullish price action go up. And do we enter it? Yes, we do enter it, but we failed to hit take profit. I would have probably hit break even here anyway, so I probably wouldn't have lost anything realistically, but it's fine. I'll count that as a loss just so we can make sure that we are counting the worst case scenarios. All right, so here's price. Price opens red, and then we see a green bullish candle to the upside. So that is a signal of a sweep. Oh, gosh, I'm hungry, bro. I gotta go eat something. All right, so we do wait for the 940 candle to open, and we do see that bullish price action, and we do see that 20% take profit. So we do take that. That is a good setup. So we're going to the 11th. We gotta scale to the 5 minute. All right, so we do see this price we do see price go up bullish, and then we see the red candlestick, but we do see this though. It is a doji candle, which means there's uncertainty in the market. So we do go to the 1 minute still to see whether or not we can work with something with that. We can see if we sweep it. Realistically, in the day, I would probably have gone to look for a sweep, but we do not see that. Price did sweep over here, so probably got stopped out right about here, and I probably would have re-entered right about here. So it would have worked out either way, probably, but we're still gonna count this as no stop, no setup, just in case. Now we're going to the 12th. So, um, we're still in the 1 minute. All right, so the first candle is it's a bearish candle. So what we're gonna be looking for is a continuation, but we do not see that. We see momentum rise to the opposite side of this candle. So what we look for is that signalizes that we are looking for a sweep. So we scale down to the 1 minute. Oh shit. Go to the 1 minute. Now then, when we go to the 1 minute, we're looking for that sweep. So we do go to wait until the 940 candle, and then we see this green bullish candle go up. We enter that. Oh, excuse me. And we do not see any profits from that trade, so it is a no setup. We're going to the 13th. Now the 13th is a continuation. As you can see, it opens up bullish, and then it continues bullish on the second candle. We wait for momentum to rise up, and it does rise up, and that's when we enter. And we enter for the 21% take profit. So it is a good setup. We're going to the 14th. All right, where's the 14th? Okay, here it is. So as you can see here, it opens up bearish, so we're looking for that continuation, but we do not see that. We see the uprise in the momentum on the opposite side of this candle, so we see that signal to look for a sweep. So we go to the 1 minute. So we do see a gap here, which is probably filled in the future. Okay, it is not. But it opens up with a gap in the middle, and it does come back and it does retrace from that gap right here. But just keep in mind that when there is gaps, you gotta be careful. Sometimes market can move a little strange, but we do see that sweep to the upside. So we're gonna be looking for is a sweep to this side. So I'll probably enter here. Okay, it looks like we just never hit the take profit for the rest of the day. So that is kind of a I don't know why it's. This is the 15th, bro. I'm tripping. We're looking at the. Hold on. Why is there December 5th? Yeah, I'm tripping. It's a Saturday, bro. What am I doing? What is this? Why do I have a good setup on the 14th? It's a Saturday, bro. Okay, alright. You know what? But so the 14th is a Saturday and the 15th. Okay. Alright, how about this? How about this? How about this? We're going to the 16th. My bad, chat. All right, so this day, I will say it is a hit or miss type situation. This setup was very tricky to get. It's more about the angle and stuff of the well, I mean, it's not that bad. It just all depends on where the momentum is going. Um, yeah. So price opens up bullish. We wait for that continuation and we answer it and we get in that 25% take profit. Okay, the 17th. So in this opens up bearish and then it we wait for that continuation, but we don't see it. We see that kind of resistance on the momentum indicator, and then we see that it's green, so we look for that sweep on the 1 minute. Now market opens bearish, and then we see that green candle right here in the 5 minute, and then we wait for that 940 candle to open, and then it's red and it's bearish. So then we wait for the next candle, and we see that green candle and that continuation to 20% take profit. So that is a good setup. So now same thing here. We wait for the first candle to open. First candle closes at a bearish candle, so we wait for that continuation. We do not see that continuation. We see that rise in the up on the momentum chart, on the momentum indicator, on the opposite side of the first candle. So that is a signal of a reversal. So we do look for a reversal on the 1 minute. We go scale out to the 1 minute. We wait for that 940 candle, and we'll see where it is. 940 candle. So we do wait for that first green candle. We do see it right here, and we do hit take profit at 10:05. Okay, 19th. All right, so price opens up as bearish. So what we look for is a rally up, the continuation. We do not see that. We see that the momentum indicator does go the opposite side. So what that indicates is that there is a signs of excuse me. Oh my god. I haven't ate all day. I've been recording videos all day. I just I just said the wrong thing. Hold on. Sorry. So the first candle does open up bearish, which means that we're looking for that continuation. We do see that continuation here. We see that momentum indicator does rise, does drop with price action with that continuation. So we do wait for that momentum drop, and then we do enter that on the 5 minute, and we do take our set our take profit at 25% at 20%, and we do take it. I went to 19 or 20. Okay, so price opens up with bearish, so we're looking for that continuation, but we don't see that continuation now, and we see that momentum to the opposite side, which is a signal to for a reversal. So what we do is wait for the 940 candle, and we do see that, and we do enter that, and we do make that 24% take profit there. Um, 20. Yeah, okay, so we're done here. For the rest of the month, I do not trade past the 20th because the other week after that is the holiday season, holiday week, And the week after that is January, New Year's, and that can be very volatile as well. And very, not volatile. Yeah, it can be volatile, but it's also a lot of news impact. It's the first month of the year. A lot of meetings taking place. Um, and yeah, so that's the trade review of December of last year. This is a little refresher so we can get ready for this December. And it's holiday season, so we are trying to prepare as much as possible for the price action that we are going to get. That's it for the video.